Is Jefferies senior analyst Brent Thill with a buy rating and an $81 price target for Snap. Brent, if you look at some of the metrics, daily active users, 280 million. The revenue and profitability story is looking better. What do you read into the market action here?
You know, stock's expensive at 17 times revenue, had a big move. Advertising is coming back. There's no doubt across the board. This is good for Facebook, Twitter, across the ad ecosystem. But we do believe, again, Snap has had a phenomenal move, and they've promised over 50% growth for the next several years, which if I was the CFO, I would never offer 50% growth. I think they could have set a lower bar. So they just set a high bar, and you got a big multiple. Fundamentals are in check. We still think the business remains extremely healthy, and it's a great first read into the rest of the digital advertising industry, and we continue to expect very good things across the board for Amazon's ad business, for Twitter, for the rest of the industry.
What about daily average users for Snap? 280 million, which was an improvement. What happens as the reopening occurs? Sounds like Julia is reporting that Snap says it's actually helping them. Is that true?
I think it will. If you look at the Snap user base, which is a younger demographic, you look at they are effectively on the system to understand kind of where their friends are, learn about content, keep up to speed, watch, look at content, shows, video games. That's not going to matter if they're sitting in their room or if they're out in the park. And in many ways, we've talked a lot about the map. The map is the single most underappreciated asset inside Snap. There's an ability for them to monetize that. So as everyone starts to wander out, Snap can start offering ads locally on the map. Kids get out of school. Hey, stop by for some ice cream. Here's an event that's happening in the park. There's an unbelievable level of innovation that's happening around the map. And so we believe this could be a multi-billion-dollar opportunity just in the map. And they've highlighted this as an opportunity. So again, as you venture out, you've got a way to monetize. Small businesses want to be involved as the younger audience gets out and goes beyond playing video games or watching Netflix in their room. So we think Snap can kind of go where the younger audience goes, and we think they're also aging up with a slightly older demographic too, and some of the content. So no question. I think sentiment is that there's better opening trades. Booking.com, Airbnb, Match, in Bumble and dating. But Snap will do well, we think, in any environment as it relates to the younger audience, which is predominantly on the platform.
Julia's been digging through the release, has a bit more color for us. Hey, Julia.
Well, in the prepared remarks, there's actually a comment specifically about the impact of the opening. They say as things begin to open up in the United States in late February, we saw inflection points in key behaviors like story posting and engagement with the Snap map. More recently, we saw a rise in the rate of new friendships and bi-directional communication on Snapchat in late March as people have begun to socialize in broader groups. So it sounds like, as Brent just mentioned, that maps are really something that they worked on, throughout the duration of the pandemic that they're seeing really kick in right now.
Brent, I know you've got a buy rating on the stock. It's off a little bit in after hours, now higher, in fact, by 1%. But it has been kind of flat and chopping around for the last few months. You think it's a good entry point?
Yeah, I think, we still think the stock trends towards 80, and we think, again, you had a huge snap in advertising names. They're up 10 to 40% between, Snap, Twitter, Pinterest, you go across the board. So you had a big, strong recovery as Wall Street's expected this recovery of ad spend. So I think ultimately there's a bigger opportunity in some of the reopening names in travel and dating, in rideshare that probably have a better opportunity short term. But yeah, we think the future looks very good, and we're encouraged by what we're seeing.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.